Buckle up, guys. This is going to be a super interesting one. I thought that in this video, I would give you all the best tap-to-earn projects and airdrop projects that I'm currently taking part in and investing my time and energy in. Do note that these projects are just what I believe in at the moment. And of course, there are many other projects out there that you might want to check out, and I'm sure they are very good as well. Again, this list is based on my perspective only, so I hope you'll find this video helpful. By the way, all the links for these projects will be in the description below this video, and also in my Telegram channel, which I highly encourage you to join. So, without further ado, my fellow friends, let's get started. Alright, so the first one that comes to mind, and of course it's obvious, but still, this list cannot be complete without it, is the one and only Hamster Kombat. Although they have postponed their upcoming airdrop, I strongly believe that this project is the best at the moment. It is also the most popular, and from what I see now, this project has the most chances to create something for the long term. I think that in the next few months, we will see epic developments from Hamster Kombat. They are adding so many features and creating a more complex and interesting game and ecosystem for us. I know this might be very irritating for you now, but believe me, this is just for the sake of all of us. Alright, moving on to the next one on our list, we have Pixelverse and PixelTap. Look, I know that many of you are displeased with how the airdrop and token allocation played out, but I assure you, this project has so much coming up. The team is working very hard to create a fully immersive world for us to tap into and enjoy. I'm sure that in the coming weeks and months, we will see more exciting things coming up in the pipeline, and I'm confident it's going to play out for the best. Now, although I still have much to talk about regarding both this project and Hamster Kombat, I want to keep it short and leave room for other lesser-known projects that I think have the potential to explode in the coming weeks and months. But if you want regular updates on these projects and more, be sure to subscribe to the channel and join my Telegram channel. Alright, moving on to the next one, we have Treasure Tapper. This is another tap-to-earn game, only this one is backed by Gala Games. If you don't know, Gala has a very strong foundation in the gaming space when it comes to blockchain. I could really talk about Gala for days, and I still wouldn't cover all the details. I think that right now they are the biggest company in the play-to-earn game space, even though they have shifted their focus lately. Anyways, I've been part of the Gala ecosystem from the beginning, and I can tell you this much. When the Treasure Tapper airdrop arrives, you definitely want to be part of it. Okay, moving on. We have Musk Empire, or its new name, Not Empire. This is another tap-to-earn game, but this one is much more interesting and complex and has a lot of new features that I haven't seen in other projects. They have just announced a partnership with Notcoin, which makes me believe in it even more. And by the way, this is literally the most fun project to tap into. Really? Try tapping. On this game, it's on another level. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but I think the mechanism there is different. Better, in my opinion. Alright, next on the list is Rocky Rabbit. The reason I really like this one is that this game pays you ton coins for every new player you bring to the game. Also, if it's a premium Telegram user, it pays double, so I believe that this could also have the potential to bring you some cool passive income. Okay, next on our list is Tapgoat. The reason I like this game is that it has been developed by a well-known YouTuber that I have been following for a while now. I think he is a very legit and honest person, and I'm really interested to see how his game will pan out eventually. Even though this game is just the beginning for him, if you want to know more about it, there is a video on my channel explaining it in detail. Heck, there is a video for every project I talk about here, so feel free to check out whichever one you like. As I said before, there are really a lot of other projects that interest me, but I wanted to keep it relatively short for the sake of this video. Now let's go to the second part of the video. I want to talk about some projects that are not tap to earn, but can still make you money and passive income just by getting in early and believing in them. Let's start with the first one, Dogs. This is the most popular among this list, as I'm sure you've already heard of this project. There are rumors that they are soon going to be listed on big exchanges, one of them being the almighty Binance. Next on our list is Cats, following in the footsteps of dogs. Hope we can know more about them soon. We also have Duck and Pigs. By the way, If you get into ducks now and earn your tokens, you can claim them right now and stake them to get dump tokens. Well, let's not get into it now, but if you want a full video about it, let me know in the comments below. And now for the last one on this list, we have bee wine. It basically follows the same footsteps as dogs, like all the others, but with a different style. Let's see how this one plays out. It's very interesting. And there you have it, fellas. I hope this video brought you some nice value. If it did, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Also, feel free to join my Telegram channel. And if you want a part 2 of this video, just let me know, and I will make a new one. Now, before I go, here is a huge shout out to all of my channel members: Muhammad Albada Moyikara, Inoxen001, Marinavatube, Okemdi Chiemamezi, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edit, Enger Chukwunonso Chioma, Osundeko Sasan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Ikeni Okwosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwele Johnson, Godin Walbe, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. Stay epic, guys. I really love you and appreciate all your support lately. It really means a lot to me. See you soon, and take care.